All right, everybody. So, to let you know, whenever I purchased this truck, my intentions were to fix up the rest of it because it was already bagged. It was already body dropped. I wanted to do the paint and body work to it. I wanted to redo the interior, and I wanted to make it my own and add a different flair to it than what it already had. Whenever I got it, it was on chrome 19s, and then I got a set of 20s for it, and now I've got a set of velocity 22s. And on the purchase, I purchased the truck, I drove it home, and on the way home, the truck stopped running. It would not, no lights worked, it would not do anything, it just completely just died on me. I had to call a tow truck in the middle of the night, and luckily I found one that found out where I was at. I was in the middle of nowhere in the country, and I got the truck home. There was no fuses blown, and what ended up happening is there was a wire, a pink wire with a blue stripe, that got cut by this body drop that was left in with a very sharp edge. And then I found more wires that were cut, and I found wires that were burnt, so I had to remove all of the dash and interior and everything all the way back to the fuel tank because everything burnt. Luckily, the truck didn't go up in flames, but I was able to find all the wires, and I was able to try to save the harness, but I was unable to. So I have purchased several harnesses now, and when I started making these videos, I had already made progress with the truck. So I'll do a montage of what all I've done so far, because I did not record the video for that. But I'll do a montage, and you'll get to see the wiring, and then I'll explain some of the stuff that I found along the way. I do have a new harness now, and I am currently in the process of installing it. I've got to fix the firewall around that hole. I've got to add shocks in the back because the truck is extremely bouncy. So, but stay along for the ride, and we'll see how everything goes. You get to see the ins and outs of the daily life of a mini trucker and the things that we go through to build them. And yes, this one was bought and not built, but as it turns out, I've got to build it. So, but I hope you guys enjoy it and watch the montage. Like, subscribe, share, and give me your thoughts. Thanks.